Hi, I 3D printed something, and this is the premature after I've printed it, because I guess that's just how they do it. Um, yeah, show the time lapse. Sorry to mention this, but this recording of the time lapse took me 7 hours and 30 minutes, about that much. I don't actually know the exact number. Remember to like and subscribe as this music fades out to the second song. I'm in the editor, and unfortunately, I could not quite push it any faster. So yeah. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Bye. Alright, this is a few seconds after I've done it. Like, I did a little hee because I'm bored. And, hey, yo, here's what printed. Guess what? It's like, it's a roller. So it rolls on a surface like this. The only reason it doesn't go further is because my printer isn't exactly tuned perfectly. And it's not exactly great at using this exact filament. So there's stringing and a bit of connection. In fact, when I was trying to get this thing unlocked, it actually broke. See there, it like, see that little other band? So see how there's this top chunk, and there's that little band? That band was connecting, is holding onto it, and it broke off. So, good thing is, now it actually spins freely to the planetary gears inside of it. You see there? You give it a little twist. Either way, file by, cut. What was it by? By Turbo Sunshine. The print and place distance measuring roll tool by Turbo Sunshine, which is a YouTuber that I have subscribed, I think. Either way, turns out, G-code's not that hard to understand, so I, did a little bit of, where is it? I did a little bit of Maker's Muse watching, subscribe to him, so he doesn't, like, sue me or something for showing that little clip. Yeah, so, I might show you just now. I have VS Code open, and I have my custom G. Ah, shit, you can't see it, because, my head's in the way. Shit, well, screw you. It says, this is custom shit, and then a couple G-code commands. Actually, let me just, there you go. Now I'm out of the way. You're welcome. But yeah, see, it says, sup, this is custom shit, and then this is all the code, lock or press backspace. No. Let me just move my, head back in the corner there. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I did, and, I'm gonna print it out. Probably not gonna tell you how it works, 'cause I don't really care. Anyway, it's gonna poop out a little bit on the thing, on the ground. And it moves the axes to position, heats up the nozzle. So, it heats it up, sets it to 225, which is the temperature I heat my filament at. That's the exact filament. It displays temperature, and then after it's done checking it, after it's done, it continues on to M106, which is fan on, G4, which is like halt and don't do anything for 5 seconds. Like, the fan's on, it's getting ready to do shit. And then M107, it turns off, because it's indecisive little shit. Like, I coded it to be, because, why not? And then it's gonna wait 1 second, because it's very indecisive, I just told you. It's going to extrude, what? This is, wait 1 second, is going to extrude 50 millimeters of filament. And that is gonna and that is gonna retract 2 millimeters. Which is what's in the actual G-code to, like, retract it so it doesn't ooze out and stuff. I might regret that, but that's what it has in the thing, so that's what's gonna be. screw you. That's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna print it out. Bye.